Barcelona against Real Madrid. Alan, you don't need to say much more than that, really.
No, the names say it all, Martin. Two of Europe's heavyweights coming face to face. Can't wait for this one.
There's a little bit of edge in any professional football match, isn't there? The teams are lining up for what we call a friendly, but you'd be very surprised if there isn't a tackle or two in it.
Well, I think so, and what they will play with is a great deal of freedom, and that can quite often lead to a really entertaining match.
Well, there's no doubt that the three up front for Barcelona, Messi, Suarez and Neymar, as good as anything I can ever imagine seeing in the successful season 2014-15.
I mean, you don't see many three-pronged attacks anyway, but to assemble one of that quality, I certainly can't remember another one quite like it.
Could be dangerous. Karim Benzema. Well, he's kept the ball after a good first touch. This is the chance. Got to be. Barcelona have scored here. And the score is 1-0. David Alaba. Karim Benzema. In comes the challenge. It's got to be a goal, surely. Could it be? Just as well, someone got in the way of that. And now they've got a corner on the attack again, the team that's leading by 1 goal. It's a chance! Oh! And the block has been made. Karim Benzema. Challenges for the ball. He's in with a great opportunity. Ah, it's a great save. One or two options for the player in possession now. And here we've got a free kick given by the referee. On to the attack now. Wasn't totally in control of his work there, the defender, but done the job. Unmarked now, he's lost his marker. And it's behind for the goal kick. Came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. That's a real tussle for the ball. If the opposition back off, they could be in trouble when the ball gets to here. Here's the opportunity. Has to get it away. And the players face another 2 minutes added on by the referee. He's got space. Oh, Barcelona have scored here. Well, that has made it 2-0. Well, that's half-time, and 2-0 is the score at the halfway mark. Everyone's settling back in their seats. Second half is underway. Stop, and that will be a free kick. Sergio Busquets. He's cleaned up here, hasn't he, with that clearance? Well, that's a clever little clip into a teammate. Tackling, it's a real skill. Sergio Busquets. Robert Lewandowski. Tried to steer it in with the volley. They've still got an opportunity here after the goalkeeper parried it. It's got room here. And now can he score? In with a chance. He's reached it, but I don't know how. Barcelona winning a corner. Well, time is ticking away. It's time for a change, and here it comes. And he heads it for goal. That's a spectacular save. Not turning the ball around, he's hung on to it. David Alaba. Karim Benzema. He's pinched it back again. Keeps it going. Close range chance. Good challenge here. Keeper will come out and collect that. Could be a goal. He takes the shot. Dives away the keeper to keep it out. And that's a corner, Barcelona's corner. Well, the extra striker is coming on, and the fans would feel not before time. It probably gives them their only chance, really, of getting back into the game.
Yeah, he had a little chat with him before he did come on. I think the message is run around and get yourself a goal.
That's a very crisp challenge there. Robert Lewandowski. Opportunity here. Oh! Barcelona have scored here. Now they lead by 3 goals to 0. Karim Benzema. And that pass, just subtle little clip pass in, really. And Barcelona have done it. There is the final whistle. They've won this game. Well, we've seen a game here, Alan, where one